In this video, I'll show you how to use Apple Pay on your PS5 Pro. So find the game that you'd like to buy from the PlayStation Store. So navigate to the PlayStation Store and select any game that you'd like to buy. So let's say, for instance, this game. Select it and then select the price and then choose the edition if you're prompted. And then before you can select confirm purchase, select these three dots next to it. And then from the options that appear, select add payment method. And then from the list of the payments method, find the Apple Pay option, select that, and then give it a few seconds. And then once it has set to charged, or rather, as you can see right there, it has been set to charge to Apple Pay. All you have to do now is select confirm purchase. Now you'll be provided with a QR code. So all you have to do is grab your iPhone or your iPad and scan that QR code. And then now you can proceed and purchase that particular game. So that's basically it on how to use Apple Pay on the PS5 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.